In today's video, let me show you how to copy LinkedIn post linked on computer. Hello everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this tutorial. So first, head over to your LinkedIn feed and browse to the post you want to copy the link. After that, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the post. Send in the menu that appears. Select Copy Link to Post. Now the link will be copied to your clipboard. Next, verify, paste the link into a new tab, and press enter. So post should open automatically. And there you have it. That's how you copy LinkedIn post link on your computer. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.